This is Dave White, Chief of the NRCS, and he's going to talk to us about the Sage Grouse.
Greetings. The sage grouse is an iconic species out west. It's a communal breeding bird, and frankly its numbers have been in rapid decline for quite some time. We're down to only a few 100,000 birds left when there were millions before. So we've launched a major effort between the various federal agencies, the state fish and game agencies, local partners, private conservation groups, and the ranching communities to try and do everything we can to save this bird and to prevent it from being listed as a threatened and endangered species. If this bird is listed, we would adversely shut down ranching in the western United States as we know it, and we have until 2015 to improve its habitat to the extent where it won't be listed. So we've embarked on this effort. We've developed a lot of science behind it. We've identified the core areas that we know this bird covers. Its range is in 11 western states, but 75% of the population lives on 25% or less of the in the core areas. So those are the areas we're targeting. We're putting our resources there, permanent easements to keep the land in grass forever. We're marking fences to make sure the birds, we can eliminate bird strikes. We're removing conifers from rangeland. When a conifer tree comes into a range situation, the birds just leave. So we're removing conifers. We're providing incentives to farmers for better grassland management. We know now that if we can get only a 2-inch increase in grass height, that equates to a 10% increase in population. So working with the partners, and we've got a couple years, we're very hopeful that we can make the habitat so good for this bird and preserve so many of them that we can preclude the need to list it as a threatened and endangered species.